Okay, cribbage board set up here. This is what we're going for. We want a diameter across the whole thing of 12 inches. And then as you zoom into this border here, we want to put about 3/8 of an inch or 0.375 inches between the edge and this first groove right there. We're going to make this groove a 1/4 inch. And then we're going to make from here to here 2 inches. And then another 1/4 inch. And then that will leave us the inside to do our design. So we're going to start with the outside circle first. We're going to grab our circle center radius option over here. And it's going to ask you for the center of your circle, which I'm going to put at 0. So I'm going to type 0 in the command line and enter. And then my command line is asking me for my diameter. So if yours is asking you for a radius, you can come in the command line and click diameter and change that. Because I want a 12-inch diameter. 12, enter. And now I've got a 12-inch diameter circle. I'm going to grab my circle, and in the command line, I'm going to type in the command offset. And now I can click on the distance option, and I'm going to change that distance to 0.375 inches, or 3/8 of an inch. And I can offset out, or I can offset in. So I'm going to offset in. So now we've established the outside edge of this blue strip right here. And we're going to pull and offset in another 1/4 inch to establish the inside edge. So grab this, type in offset again, enter. And I can just, in my command line, type in the distance, 0.25, enter. And now I can pull that in. And now I've established that line. So I'm going to now grab this outside one and offset again. This time I'm going to do 2 inches. And that looks maybe, yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to offset in, click. And then my last one, I'm going to grab this inside circle, offset one more time, change my distance to a 1/4 inch, 0.25, enter. And I've got this groove for this border, this groove for this border. I've got my space on the inside here, and then I've got my space for my cribbage holes here. So I'm going to save this file as cribbage board, April 10th update. And then once you have that saved, deposit that in the folder that I've set up for you on Microsoft Teams. There's a link for that in the PowerSchool assignment.